Hello everyone, welcome back to the first tutorial to show you the layer mask or effect of layer mask. So here I just imported this image and also this one. So here we gonna paste the apple into the screen. So we are erasing everything. Usually what we'll do, we just select the eraser tool and start erasing, then keep it like this. Now there is an easy method. So let's select the quick selection, or the first step is just selecting which area we want to vanish or to make effect. So here just select the screen because we want to keep the apple inside the screen. Okay, keep it like this. So we are selected the edges. Okay, well, so the next thing what we want to do is just select the apple. So we cannot select by pressing Ctrl C or go to edit copy like this because we are not selected anything. So we can just press and hold Ctrl then image to select. Look at that, there is a selection appear here. Then we can either go to edit copy or otherwise just press Ctrl C to make copy, then go here. Then we have an easy option available. That's just go to edit, then paste special, then paste into. Look at that, it pasted because actually the resolution is not perfect, so we can just press and hold Ctrl T, then keep it like this. Look at that, it's not going outside and everything keep inside the selection. Look at that, how it looks. This was before and after. So here you can see, let me large thumbnails, make it large. This area or this particular area is shown here as white and the rest of things are black. So white is present, then black is hidden. So in this way, in the color picker, look at that, the foreground color is, let's make it black. By pressing X on keyboard we can interchange the colors. X, look at that, background and foreground colors. Then when it keep black and select brush tool, and in the white area, or this shows here is white, so when I keep it the flow value higher, then select the mask because we are working on mask. Then what we're going to do is just drag like this. Look at that, this area is erasing, this area is erasing, there is no change outside. Look at that, when I drag here there is no change. We can go back. Then when I change the color to white, the foreground color goes white. Here the foreground color goes white. Then when I drag here, when I drag here there is no change, but when I drag outside, look at that, this mobile device is erasing, but the apple is, or the apple area is showing. So this is masking, effect of masking. So I hope you got a clear idea about masking. We are doing a lot of things with masking because when you learn masking you can do a lot of massive things in Photoshop. I think you most are looking to learn to do this kind of effects, amazing effects to you may see on YouTube thumbnails or YouTube videos or even internet. Actually this is very easy, very easy when we learn or when we get the idea of masking. So we are winding up this section. I hope this is perfect and clear. Thank you.